We have already studied about distance formula and section formula. In today's video, we will learn about midpoint formula. Actually, midpoint formula is a special case of section formula. Suppose AB is a line segment and with coordinates x1, y1 and coordinate of B be x2, y2. Now let the point P divides AB equally, or you can say that P is the midpoint of line segment AB, or P divides internally AB in the ratio 1:1. Since it is the midpoint, it will be dividing the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Now I'll write the section formula. We need to find out coordinates of P. So by section formula, I know that m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 will give coordinate of x, and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this will give coordinates of P. Here in the place of m1 and m2 I have 1. Now I substitute that. So it is x2 plus x1 divided by 1 plus 1. The same way y2 plus y1 divided by 1 plus 1, which is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is actually the midpoint formula. So the midpoint of the line segment, the coordinates of midpoint of the line segment is given by the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now we will do some of the problems based on this midpoint formula. Now if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, we need to find the value of x and y. We know that in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So A, B, C, D taken in order. Now we will mark the coordinates 1, 2, B is 4, y and C is x, 6 and D is 3, 5. We need to find out the value of x and y. So let this diagonals bisect each other at the point P. So AC and BD are the diagonals. ABCD is a parallelogram. AB and CD are opposite sides and they are parallel and equal, and AC and BD are the diagonals. They bisect each other at the point P. So we are going to use that property, the diagonals bisect each other at the point P. So we can say P is the midpoint of AC as well as P is the midpoint of BD. So we'll find out P. So midpoint, since the diagonals bisect each other, I can write midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD, and we are going to use midpoint formula. So midpoint of AC, if you take, we'll take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. So when I substitute, we know the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. So we will substitute now. x1 is 1, so 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2. This is 1 plus x by 2 and 8 by 2 is 4. The same way we will find midpoint of BD. Again we will apply the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, and in this case we will take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So we have 3 plus 4 by 2 and 5 plus y by 2. So 3 plus 4 is 7 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. Now we will equate and then we will find out value of x and y. So this is the coordinate of point P. P is the midpoint of AC as well as midpoint of BD. So we have written midpoint formula. Now we will equate this. So 1 plus x by 2 equal to 7 by 2. The same way 5 plus y by 2 equal to 4. This will get cancelled. X is 7 minus 1. X is equal to 6. Same way y plus 5 equal to 8. Y equal to 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. Therefore value of x is 6 and value of y is 3. So next question, find the coordinates of the point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. So AB is the diameter of the circle. Let O be the center of this diameter and we need to find the coordinates of the point A. We need to find. So we don't know the coordinate of A. Let us mark as x, y, and B they have already given 1, 4, and the center coordinate O also they have given 2, minus 3. So here also we can use the midpoint formula. So midpoint formula is given by, if O is the midpoint, here O is the midpoint. So midpoint formula is given as x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now in the place of xy we have 2 minus 3. The coordinate O is the midpoint, so 2 minus 3 equal to x plus 1 by 2 and y plus 4 by 2. So we have x plus 1 by 2 equate to find the value of x. X plus 1 equal to 4. X plus 1, 2 into 2 is 4. So x is equal to 4 minus 1. X is equal to 3. Same way y plus 4 divided by 2 equal to minus 3. Y plus 4 equal to minus 6. Again y equal to minus 6 minus 4 and we have y is minus 10. So the coordinates of A are 3 and minus 10. So in both the problems we have used midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is a special case of section formula. Midpoint means it divides the line segment into two equal parts. So the ratio we have taken as 1:1 in the section formula and we have derived the midpoint formula as x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So thank you for watching my video.